In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access, use, and upload templates in Google Docs. You'll know where to find the templates, how to use them, and then how to upload your own version. So you can search through and use templates for things such as assignments, MLA essay templates, resume templates, etc. Therefore, you can make certain documents more efficient, neat, and effective. So to find templates, all you do is go to your applications up here and then to Google Docs. Once you're in Google Docs, the templates are going to be up here in the template gallery. All the documents that you've recently worked on will be down here. So we open up the template gallery by going up here to this button and clicking on it. When you're in here, you can look up general templates, and it's organized by things like education, letter formats, resumes, work, sales, etc. You can also look through templates available for the Fairbanks North Star Borough School District or created by people within the school district. Here are the templates that are available on here. If you ever want to submit a template of your own, you're going to want to submit a template, and then everyone in the Fairbanks North Star Borough School District will be able to use that template. So we'll go Submit Template, select Document, the template that you want available, and press Open. And now it is on here. If you want to submit the original copy, then don't click this, but I want to just make a copy so that everyone can have a different copy of this goal sheet. And then what category it is. So for this one, I'll say Planner and submit. This template is going to go under the Planner section right here, under the Fairbanks North Star Borough School District templates. If you want to use a template, all you do is select the template. For instance, if I want to make a resume, and now you can edit it from here. You highlight the sections and then just type in your information. That is how you find, use, and upload templates.